Hello dear Cancer, welcome back to my channel and this is your third week exclusive love reading plus career reading. So if you have a question on your mind, think about it so that you can get an answer. Let's begin with your career. You've got the card of Alchemist and the Four of Suns. Interesting. Your focus this week is not really on your career. Okay, it looks like your focus is more on settling down. Like if you have, for example, a traveling job, a sales job, or if you were away from home, constant thinking on your mind right now this week will be like how to get closer to home, how to call your family over, how to settle down in one place, invest in a home, right? So your thinking is around that corner. I also see that this week is going to be a very social week. Either you or your colleagues are going out or you're meeting your old friends and colleagues. Okay. I also see that this week you will be achieving a little bit of name and fame. Okay. Like your family will be very proud of you and probably all your relatives are talking about what kind of work you do and amazing work, etc. It could also be that you recently got promoted or your name got highlighted because of which it was printed in a newspaper, magazine, or circulated in your office in an email, some sort of name is coming your way. I also see a very peaceful and harmony gatherings happening. Okay, everybody talking about you, everybody being proud of you. So yes, this week is going to be very good. And I do see that this week, if you work for the community, like if you do some sort of charitable work, or if you are doing something for the service of the people, right? If you are in a government service, right, or a public service, or medical field, right, or any other service which is doing good for the community at large, you will benefit a lot from that. So please think about that, especially if you're thinking of starting something new that will benefit. And if in your current job or something you can, involve a lot of people, do something for the community, come up with such ideas, it will really benefit you and your career as well. Let's see what's happening in your love life. Okay, first of all, you've got the Seven of Stars and the Eight of Suns. There are some signs that popped out for you, so I'm going to say Aquarius, Capricorn, and Sagittarius Sun Moon Rising. So you can have that in your own birth chart, or you are dealing with such a sign. Proposal could be coming your way, okay, this time. Or if you like someone, you can be making a proposal. So if you were thinking of making a proposal, this is the perfect time. Also expect proposals coming your way, love confession coming your way. This time the Cupid is going to hit the both of you. So usually we complain that why did the Cupid only hit me and not them, right? This time the love is mutual. I do see two people madly in love with each other coming together. So if you were in a situationship or you were single and looking for the right partner, that partner can come this time. Okay, this is the week or where you get into a new relationship, start a new relationship, or meet the right person. If you were already in a relationship or married, this is a card of progress, which means you're ready to take the next step in love. From relationship, you can be planning to getting married with the same person, and if you're already married, you can think of having babies with the same person, or peace is restored, right? This week you will be a lot in love with each other, probably going out on dates or showing gestures, or spending more time. Whatever is happening, this is a week of progress in love. So no matter what your situationship, relationship, or marriage is, this is a week full of love. So take all the advantage that you can. Okay, overall your week is looking beautiful and brighter. So this week is smoother, like as smooth as it can be, as full of love as it can be. So please make the most of it. And if you guys resonated with this reading, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Claim this positive and powerful reading by commenting I claim this reading, I manifest this reading, so that it materializes faster for you. And yes, this was a general reading. If you have very specific questions on your mind regarding your own situation, whether that's health, children, money, right, future, exams, anything, you can book your personal reading. Right now, this is a perfect time for booking rituals as well, as full moon is tonight. And if you're looking at this video in the next 5 days, auspicious time for next 5 days to start any ritual. So please go ahead and book your rituals right now. Other than that, I do have a 10% discount going on in two services. One is unlimited question service. audio video call session only, right? So if you think that you have a lot of questions but the charges were expensive for you, I do have a 10% going on off going on this entire month because this is a Rakhi offer. So please avail as quickly as possible. Second, I do have a discount on spiritual counseling session. So if you are in a position, you or any of your friend or family, you think they are stuck, they just need guidance, they need somebody they can talk to, share their heart out without being judged or laughed at, this is the session for you. Okay, this here you will be guided by me, and with the help of your spirit guides I will also be giving you a remedy on how to move forward from all that problems that you're going through. So please avail this service. It's very important. 10% discount going on. So again, these two services you can avail this month with a discount. Other than that, I do have a lot of budget services available under 1,000 rupees. So please check out the description box. All are under 1,000 rupees. Okay, as low as 215 rupees. So start with wherever you feel comfortable so that you get clarity in your life. Email me if you want to book any reading. It's all mentioned in my description box, or directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please follow me on Instagram as well, as I keep on posting the prices, the discounts, the new service launch, when the channel is closed, what is going on in the cosmos on a daily basis over there. So you will stay updated. So yes, please like this video, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.